money across the world in just a second. With no middleman, no heavy fees, and no stress. That's the promise of Remittance or RTX, a project some are calling the next SRP. Today, we are diving into the latest news, real updates, and my honest price prediction for October 2025. The RTX has already raised millions in pre-sale. It's audited and it's aiming to solve one of the biggest problems in the finance cross-border payment. But the question is, can RTS actually deliver or it's just another hype train? Stay with me because it's in the video we'll break down the bullish potential and the hidden risk where I realistically see the price heading by October 2025. And trust me, the ending might be just surprise you. So, let me know in comment below before I start the video how many are really interested in maybe they are hoping to invest in a RTX. So what exactly RTX? The RTX is a DeFi project focusing on a cross-border payment. That's the idea is simply you pay in crypto and you get fiat money directly into your bank account. If they can deliver on this promise, they'll be tackling $1 trillion market. And right now, RTS is in its pre-sale passage, price around 0.11 cent, and they already raised 26 million. So, and it also audited, which gives some extra trust. They are claiming to be ready to listing in the coming month. Headlines are calling RTX the best pre-sale of 2025, and some analytics are even throwing out wild prediction of 40x gain by quarter four. But as always in crypto, we need to be separated dreams of reality. Let's talk about the latest news of RTX has been featured across crypto media, often compared SRP because it's a payment focus. They have run big company. They give away worth of 2050 millions and something. The reverse program, aggressive marketing, investor interest, especially from the region where remittance has been dealing into reality. So, but here's the catch, as of now, RTS is not yet fully listed on a major exchange. That's the biggest missing piece. Until liquidity and a big exchange listing comes, all these pre-sale numbers are potential energy waiting to be released. The market sentiment is bullish, but the cushion investors are waiting for those first listing before they jump in. So, what could actually drive RTX price up by October 2025? First, I think is exchange listing. Even once the RTS hits a Binance or Coin or even top 20 exchange, demand can explode. Second thing is adoption. If people actually start using RTX for payments, a real utility will drive a value. Remittance market. This is a massive with the trillion of falling every year, especially between Asia, Africa, and Western. Even a small dice of that market is a huge. I think let's talk about a major risk. First is regulation is there. The payment are one of the most regulated industries. If countries clamp down, the progress slows. Second is the competition. Project like SRP, Stella, even a fintech companies like Wish already dominated this space. The third reason is the major risk, which I think is the hype cycle risk. Like pre-sale token often pumped at a launch, then it dumped before finding a real value, a real floor. So yes, RTS has potential, but it's not without a serious hurdles. And now the big question: where could RTS go from October 2025? Predictions. Here's my breakdown. In the base case, if RTS gets minor listing but adoption is slow, I see it holding around a $0.09 to $0.12, basically sideways. Bullish case with a strong listing, good community growth, the hype around adoption, RTS could climb 0.15 to 0.25 cent. A bearish case, if listing delays happen, interest fade, we could see falling from 0.03 to $0.08. My personal prediction somewhere it's around dollar 0.10 to dollar 0.18 range by October 2025. The realistic goal, but not moonshot. Some people promise the wild target, wild target like dollar one target, which I think that's still a long way off. Let me share a story. Two friends, Sam. Okay, let's understand the name. The friend A and B both heard about the RTS earlier. Friend A said, "It's a gamble. I'll buy it little, but sell it fast once I get profit." Then exactly what he did. He made some gain, but nothing life changes. Then my friend B, on the other hand, believed that the vision. He or she studied the project, trusted the audit, and held on. And she or he ignored the short-term fear and noise. Month later, while my friend A regretted selling too soon, but a friend B patient was rewarded with too much bigger return. That's the emotional side of crypto. It's not just charts prices. It's about patience, convictions, and knowing your risk tolerance. Because in the end, the biggest profit often go to those who believes and wait. But yeah, so wrap up this up. RTS is one of the most high pre-sale project of 2025. It's a huge potential, but also serious risk. My realistic target for the October 2025 is $0.10 to $0.18. Steady growth if they deliver. Could it be moon? Maybe. Could it crash? Absolutely. Always remember, this is not a financial advice. This is my perspective as some watching the market closely. Do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Always balance risk with patience. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed breaking down and I want more update on RTX and other crypto gems, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss what's next. I'll see you in the next video guys.